Hello. Brian, Val, Uptown Swing, level 2, tempo.
Boom. We started by taking out triple steps from that 6-count basic. We were just kind of hanging out. Boom. Hey. Hey. We talked about not being thuddy. That was the technical term. And then we started moving it around. Yeah, boom. Hey. Hey. Boom. Hey. Hey. And then we did yo-yo.
So we introduced some 8 counts.
Hey. Boing.
Yo-yos without triple steps.
Hey. Ha.
We really talked about how you want to make your steps a little bit smaller and make sure that you move and your steps just fall underneath you. We really didn't want to do touch like this, where your feet fall from under yourself.
Yeah.
And then we just kind of took our 8 counts and did whatever shapes with them.
Places. We didn't give you a specific place to go. It was just boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, bam, hey, and a boom, hey.
And then we did walkies. Like this.
We did walk, 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 touch, and back it up. We talked about when you back it up, not to reach with your feet.
No, I'm not feeling anything.
Hesitantly. Yeah, your follower won't go with you, leaders.
Now we did hovers.
Boom, hey, ha, hey, ha, hey. And we'll talk about that more next week. Bye.